Hello students. In ninth topic, current electricity, now we are going to discuss about potentiometer. Potentiometer is widely used because it does not require any current from the circuit, and it is used to measure potential difference between any two points on the wire in the electric circuit. The circuit diagram for potentiometer is as shown in this figure. This potentiometer consists of a wire AB, which is of length capital L, and resistance capital R, and the area of cross section of wire AB is constant or uniform. Now we will see principle of potentiometer. Suppose a cell of EMF E and internal resistance small r is connected across wire AB. So let us consider I be the current passes through the wire. So I is equal to E by capital R plus small r. Equation 1. Now the potential difference across wire AB is, by using Ohm's law, VAB is equal to IR. So value of I is kept from equation 1. We will get VAB is equal to ER divided by R plus small r. Now this potential difference per unit length is VAB divided by L, means potential difference per unit length of wire, is considered as potential gradient and represented by capital K. Means potential gradient is defined as potential difference per unit length of wire. From equation 2, we can write VAB divided by this L. Suppose this is equation 3. In this equation, as long as this value of E, that is EMF of cell, is constant, then VAB per unit length, that is potential gradient, also constant. Now let us consider a point C on wire AB such that the length of AC, the length of wire AC is suppose small l. So the potential difference between AC, potential difference between the point AC is VAC is equal to K into L. This K is potential gradient. It is constant for the length of wire. So VAC is directly proportional to L. Thus we can say that potential difference between any two points is always is always proportional to the length of wire between the 2 points. Okay, so this was about the potentiometer and its principle. So thank you, students.